Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into what many are calling a true game changer in the world of AI image generation and editing, Google Nano Banana. While the name might sound whimsical, it's the internal code name for Google's incredibly powerful new model, officially known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. This isn't just another image tool. It's a revolutionary leap forward, designed to make professional-grade editing and creative work accessible to everyone. So, what exactly is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image? At its core, it's a state-of-the-art multimodal model that can process both text and images in a single, unified step. Unlike previous models that might lose details or character likeness during edits, Gemini 2.5 Flash Image excels at maintaining consistency. This means you can place the same person or object into different scenes, change outfits, and even alter a character's pose, all while preserving their original identity. This level of control opens up a world of possibilities, and we've put together a list of over 50 insane use cases to prove it. To make things easy, we've organized these into 3 distinct categories. The first is personal and creative use cases, where we'll explore how you can use this technology for fun, artistic expression, and social media content. Next, we'll move on to business and commercial use cases. Here, we'll demonstrate how Gemini 2.5 Flash Image can revolutionize workflows for everyone from small business owners and marketers to professional designers. Finally, we'll get into the most exciting and innovative category, advanced editing and other use cases. We'll also highlight some of its unique capabilities that go beyond simple editing. Before we get started on this mind-blowing journey, please take a moment to hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, share this video with a friend, and, of course, subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. Now, let's get started. Personal and creative use cases. Number 1. Photo manipulation. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image gives you unprecedented control over the fundamental elements of a photograph. With a few simple commands, you can instantly transform the mood of a picture by changing the time of day, turning a bright afternoon into a dramatic sunset or a quiet morning. This also extends to fine-tuning the lighting, allowing you to add warm, inviting tones or cool, atmospheric effects to match any desired aesthetic. Beyond environmental changes, the model can also handle detailed object transformations, such as changing an outfit style or color, or even adding a new piece of clothing, all while maintaining the integrity and likeness of the original subject. This powerful capability is perfect for fixing less-than-ideal photos or simply having fun with your creative vision. Instead of a reshoot, you can instantly give a photo a fresh look, ensuring every picture captures the perfect moment and mood. This level of granular control democratizes advanced photo editing, making it easy for anyone to achieve professional quality results for personal memories, social media, or artistic projects. Number 2. Professional headshots. A strong professional presence begins with a great headshot, and Gemini 2.5 Flash Image makes this more accessible than ever before. You can take a casual photo and, within moments, transform it into a polished, high-quality headshot suitable for platforms like LinkedIn. The model can change your background to a more professional setting, adjust the lighting to be more flattering, and even add or change attire to create a truly professional look. This is a game-changer for job seekers, freelancers, and business owners who need to present a professional image without the time or expense of a professional photo shoot. You can easily create multiple variations to find the perfect look that represents your personal brand, ensuring that your online profile makes a strong and lasting impression. Number 3. Stylistic changes. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image allows you to apply distinct stylistic filters and time periods with remarkable realism. You can transport a modern photograph back to the 70s with a warm, faded aesthetic or give it a vibrant, high-contrast 90s look. This feature goes beyond simple filters by intelligently re-rendering the image to truly capture the essence of a particular era. This capability is perfect for creative expression, social media content, or simply indulging in a bit of visual time travel. By allowing you to explore different moods and artistic styles, the model turns every photo into a new canvas for creative storytelling. Number 4. Creative exploration. It offers a powerful and unique tool for artistic and creative exploration by allowing you to alter core human characteristics in a photo, such as age, ethnicity, and gender. This is an incredibly fascinating way to visualize different what-if scenarios, whether it's seeing a younger or older version of yourself or a fictional character. The model's strength lies in its ability to perform these transformations while maintaining a strong sense of identity and realism. This feature is particularly useful for artists and storytellers who need to quickly prototype character designs or explore different visual concepts for a project. It's a powerful sandbox for creative ideation, providing endless possibilities for visual storytelling and personal exploration. Number 5. Backgrounds. One of the most common photo editing tasks is changing the background, and Gemini 2.5 Flash image makes this process seamless and incredibly realistic. You can take a photo of yourself in a plain room and instantly transport yourself to the top of the Himalayas, a bustling city street, or a serene tropical beach. The model ensures that the lighting, shadows, and perspective of the new background are perfectly matched to the subject, making the final image appear as if it was shot on location. This capability eliminates the need for complex and time-consuming masking and layering, allowing you to create visually stunning and compelling images in a fraction of the time. It's a powerful tool for travel bloggers, social media influencers, or anyone who wants to create more dynamic and engaging personal photos. Number 6. Narrative Scenes. Gemini 2.5 Flash image can do more than just simple photo restoration. It can bring history back to life in a dynamic new way. It can restore and recolor old, faded, or damaged photographs with incredible detail, transforming black and white memories into vibrant, full-color images. But the real magic lies in its ability to take a person from one of these old photos and seamlessly place them into an entirely new scene. This allows for fascinating narrative exploration, enabling you to see an ancestor in a modern-day setting or place historical figures in a completely new context. It's a unique way to create visual stories, blending the past and present while maintaining the character's likeness and integrity, making it a perfect tool for creative storytelling or creating unique family keepsakes. Number 7. Video Animation. For animators and video creators, this model is an excellent tool for streamlining the conceptual and pre-production phases. While it doesn't animate on its own, its ability to generate consistent and highly detailed images makes it perfect for creating the crucial first and last frames of an animation sequence. You can generate a starting image with a specific character pose and scene, and then use the model to create a different ending image that maintains the character's identity while showing a new action or emotion. This provides a clear visual roadmap for the animation process, ensuring character and scene consistency from start to finish. It's a powerful way to save time and effort, allowing animators to focus on the in-between frames with a solid visual foundation already in place. Number 8. Thumbnail Creation. A compelling thumbnail is often the deciding factor for whether a viewer clicks on a video, and Gemini 2.5 Flash image provides a powerful way to create professional-grade thumbnails from simple video screenshots. You can take a frame from your video and use the model to enhance its visual appeal, whether by adjusting lighting, adding a stylistic filter, or even changing the background to make it more eye-catching. This capability allows content creators to quickly and easily produce high-quality, custom thumbnails that stand out in a crowded feed. By transforming a simple image into a dynamic, engaging visual, it helps to increase click-through rates and overall video performance. Business and commercial use cases. Number 1. E-commerce. For e-commerce businesses, this model is an unparalleled tool for visual content creation. It allows you to generate professional quality product photos without the need for expensive photo shoots. You can simply take a photo of your product and place it into different scenes, from a minimalist studio setting to a lifestyle shot in a home environment. The model seamlessly integrates the product into the new scene, ensuring realistic lighting and shadows. Furthermore, you can use the model to create a wide range of ad creatives and mockups, such as placing your product on a billboard, in a magazine, or on an influencer's social media feed. This capability allows you to rapidly A/B test different ad campaigns, visualize how products would look in a customer's hands, and produce high-quality marketing materials at a fraction of the cost and time of traditional methods. Number 2. Graphic Design. Gemini 2.5 Flash image revolutionizes the graphic design workflow for both professionals and small business owners. When designing a logo, you can now generate countless variations in a matter of seconds, exploring different styles, fonts, and layouts to find the perfect fit for a brand. The model's ability to maintain consistency also means you can easily apply this new logo to a variety of assets, from business cards and letterheads to digital platforms. Beyond logos, the tool is a powerhouse for creating complete visual identities. You can design mockups for business cards that show them in realistic contexts, or generate stunning visuals for landing pages and websites. This allows you to prototype designs quickly, saving countless hours on manual design work and enabling you to present comprehensive brand concepts to clients or stakeholders in a visually compelling way. Number 3. Content Creation. The rise of AI influencers is a testament to the power of artificial intelligence in content creation, and Nano takes this to a new level. You can use the model to create a consistent, unique, and compelling AI persona for your brand. This AI influencer can be seamlessly placed into various scenes, wear different outfits, and even pose in specific ways to match your content strategy. This presents a unique opportunity for monetization. You can generate a dedicated AI character for product promotion, creating an endless stream of original content for social media without the logistical challenges and costs associated with human influencers. The model's consistency ensures that the AI character's likeness is maintained across all posts, building a recognizable and engaging presence for your brand. Number 4. Interior design. For interior designers and real estate professionals, it's an incredibly powerful visualization tool. You can take a photo of an empty or outdated room and instantly add or change furniture, decor, and lighting. The model intelligently places the new elements, ensuring they are correctly scaled and integrated into the space, with realistic shadows and lighting. This allows clients to see a realistic vision of a space before any physical changes are made, streamlining the design process and helping them make confident decisions. Whether you're trying to show a client what a new sofa would look like in their living room or demonstrating how a different lighting scheme could transform a kitchen, this feature provides a fast and effective way to bring design concepts to life. Number 5. Marketing. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image is a game-changer for marketing and advertising teams looking to produce innovative and visually dynamic campaigns. You can use the model to create mixed media experiments, seamlessly blending real-life photography with AI-generated elements. For example, you could take a photo of a person and have the model generate a fantastical, painted world around them, or add surreal, impossible-to-film elements to a scene. This capability allows marketers to push the boundaries of creativity, producing highly unique and attention-grabbing ad campaigns that stand out from the competition. It's an invaluable tool for rapid ideation and prototyping, enabling teams to quickly test out a wide range of visual concepts and bring even the most imaginative ideas to life. Advanced editing and other use cases. Number 1. Object removal. For advanced photo editing, Gemini 2.5 Flash Image excels at complex tasks like intelligent object and subject removal. Have you ever taken a perfect photo only to have it ruined by a stray object or an unwanted person in the background? The model can analyze the image and seamlessly remove the unwanted elements, intelligently filling in the background to make it look as though the object was never there. This goes far beyond simple cropping and can handle intricate scenes with remarkable realism. This powerful feature is a huge time saver for photographers, graphic designers, and anyone looking to clean up their personal photos. It can be used to remove distractions, isolate a subject, or create a cleaner composition, all with a simple command. This capability effectively replaces a time-consuming and often difficult manual process in traditional photo editing software, making it accessible to a much wider audience. Number 2. Color correction. It is an exceptional tool for a variety of tasks that were once exclusively the domain of professional software like Photoshop. Its color correction capabilities are highly intuitive. You can simply describe the desired mood or lighting, and the model will make precise adjustments to the image's tones, saturation, and contrast. This allows for quick and accurate changes without needing a deep understanding of complex color curves and channels. Beyond basic color correction, the model's ability to intelligently colorize black and white photos is truly remarkable. It analyzes the context and content of the image to apply realistic and nuanced colors, bringing historical or vintage photos to life with an astonishing level of detail and accuracy. This makes it an invaluable resource for archivists, historians, and anyone looking to breathe new life into old memories. Number 3. Advanced models. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image pushes the boundaries of creative conversion by allowing you to generate advanced models and concepts from simple inputs. You can take a standard photograph of a person, object, or building and prompt the model to convert it into an isometric model, creating a detailed 2.5D view that's perfect for games, infographics, or architectural visualization. This provides a unique perspective and allows for the creation of stylized assets with a simple text command. The model also has the incredible ability to turn a simple line drawing or a quick sketch into a photorealistic image. This is a game-changer for artists, designers, and creators, allowing them to rapidly visualize their concepts. Instead of spending hours on a detailed render, you can get a stunningly realistic image from a rough sketch, making it an invaluable tool for prototyping and creative ideation. Number 4. Integration. The power of this model is amplified when it is used in conjunction with other AI tools. For example, you can create a base image using a tool like Midjourney, which is known for its incredible artistic range and aesthetic precision. Once you have a unique and stylized image, you can then import it into Gemini 2.5 Flash Image to perform a range of highly specific edits. This integration allows for a powerful two-step workflow. Use one model to generate the artistic foundation, and then use Gemini 2.5 Flash Image to fine-tune the details, make specific changes to a person's outfit, adjust the background, or ensure character consistency. This hybrid approach gives you the best of both worlds, the creative flair of one model combined with the precise, controlled editing capabilities of the other, resulting in a level of control and creative output that is unprecedented. And that's a wrap of our deep dive into the 50+ insane use cases for Google Nano Banana, the internal code name for the revolutionary Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. We've explored everything from personal creative projects like transforming everyday photos into professional headshots and time-traveling snapshots, to powerful business applications like generating product mockups and ad creatives in seconds. We've even touched on advanced editing techniques, proving this isn't just a simple filter tool, but a true game changer in the world of visual content. The most powerful aspect of Gemini 2.5 Flash Image is its ability to maintain character consistency and a deep understanding of the world, which allows for these incredible use cases we've just discussed. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, an artist, or just someone who loves playing with photos, this model puts a level of creative control and efficiency that was once out of reach, right at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful and exciting, please let us know. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. And if you want to stay on top of the latest AI tools and trends, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in the next one.